In this segment of Toolwall, I would like to talk about tool transfer. I do realize that in many companies it is handled in different ways, and Toolwall is not about to change it. It is very flexible, so you can use it in any conjunction with your own system and use it as far as you're comfortable with it. But one is for sure, it will make your life a lot easier. I do have here my setup sheet, like you would have for any job. And even though Toolwall has a job control module which automates the whole process, but if you're not comfortable with it, you can do it manually as you always have done. So in this regard, we have to go to Tool Transfer. We're clicking on this module. And in this case, we do want to use machine number 2. So we are selecting machine number 2. On the left-hand side, you see all the tools that are currently in the tool changer with one empty location. Nothing on the right-hand side is yet scheduled to be put into the machine. We have another way in order to look at the tool changer. Here is a spread out version of it, which makes identifying the correct tool simpler. So let's return, and in my setup sheet I know which tools I do need, and I'm checking which ones of the tools I do need are already in the machine and which have to maybe go to a different location. So here I found out that my chamfer tool number 8 has to go out and go into a different location. So we're going to remove this tool. So instead of being in pocket number 8, it has to go to pocket number 18. 18 we do not need, so we're going to take 18 out. And we're going to put this one back to Toolwall. And now we're going to click on the chamfer tool, and we're going to put it into the 18 location. Other tools we have to take out is number 13. We have to take out number 4, and we have to take out number 6. So we're going to remove these tools, and we're going to put them back into the Toolwall. However, my sheet tells me that I do need some other tools. So we're going to go to Toolwall. We're going to select, in this case, we need the O-ring tool. This one, and what else we're going to need? We need the thread mill. The thread mill we're going to put to location number 6. And it asks me here, it has an offset value, aware offset value, whether we want to transfer that one as well. We said we're going to upload this one as well. And the O-ring cutter we're going to put to number 13 and we're going to transfer. So with this one now, my setup is complete. That's the locations I need, and I'm just going to press next. Here now I have a installation program for those tools which have to be removed and installed. Since all tools are preset, we now transferring the offsets for these tools into the machine. In this case here, this is a tool we have to take out, remove from the spindle, and all the offsets will be set to 0 because there's nothing in the spindle. Here, remove tool number 107 and insert tool number 46 into spindle, and it will upload the offsets. So you just run the program. This program will bring each individual tool out. You just put it according to the list on your controller screen into the spindle, and your tool transfers are done. So now you have all the tools you need in your machine, and it will be reflected in the tool status, where you can see where each individual tool is you have in Toolwarp. However, as I said, you can automate this process by using the job control module, but then some people are afraid of changes and like to stick with the old system, so Toolwarp is flexible enough to do so.